Heritage listed in 2004, Victoria Barracks houses one of the most important groups of Edwardian high-risk military buildings in Australia. The barracks was built in 1872 to accommodate British Imperial Garrison troops and now houses the Casci Land Systems Division and Joint Logistics Command, among other defence elements. Aurecon engaged Duratec Australia on behalf of the Department of Defence to complete heritage building restoration works at the barracks. The scope of works for A Block, M Block, a new block and the chapel included lead paint removal and repainting of external timber and metal elements, which included windows, doors, fascia and soffit linings, metal gutters, downpipes, rainwater heads, steel and cast iron features, timber window and door repairs, including timber infills and reputtying window frames, reconstruction of missing bluestone and capping by rejointing and repointing the required sections of wall, structural repairs to concrete and brick walls, replacement of carpet and vinyl floor coverings, reinstatement of timber parquetry flooring, heritage timber balustrade restoration, window furnish replacement with solar block-out blinds, heritage slate roof replacement, including lead flashings, careful removal and replacement of recessed cast iron downpipes and rainwater heads, resolving internal moisture issues, HVAC upgrades including fan coils and split systems, supply and installation of new zip taps to kitchenettes and hand dryers to bathrooms, heritage lift restoration at a new block, modernisation of lift at M Block, base-wide alert system and CCTV upgrades. As a prominent heritage defence building, which is visible from St Kilda Road and located across from Melbourne's Royal Botanic Gardens Memorial, Duratec worked with our client to complete remediation works to the front of Victoria Barracks in time for Anzac Day on the 25th of April. Approximately 300 stakeholders were relocated to a temporary office during internal office building upgrades, allowing works to be conducted successfully and completed with minimal disruptions. Clear communication and strategic planning were key to this task. When replacing the slate roof tiles, it was discovered that the main structural timber hip beam needed renewal due to its rotten condition. This involved careful planning, with a 50-tonne crane lifting the 6-metre timber beam into place. Replacement of this latent condition provided structural improvements to the building, preventing future roof damage and mitigated potential safety risk. Recessed cast iron downpipes were removed and replaced with custom moulded downpipes to match the originals. The new downpipe collar connections deliver greater efficiency, preventing moisture seepage into the building. The removal and replacement of downpipes located within the bluestone walls proved challenging and was conducted carefully to prevent any damage to the stones. Due to the heritage significance of the building, all methodologies and materials were assessed and approved by the architects and heritage consultants to ensure compliance to the Heritage Management Plan was achieved. This included matching internal paint schemes, restoration of the main A Block timber staircase balustrade and restoring the heritage lift car in a new block. The lift restoration included replacement of the motor and cables, internal car features and controls. When pole-mounted cameras were installed on the St Kilda Road grass area, the trenching works around existing in-ground services presented many challenges. With careful planning and by locating services with ground radar technology, the trench pathway was determined. The grass was skimmed off, rolled and relaid after the trench works were completed. This process worked very well and the grass was successfully re-established. Due to the bluestone building facade, external scaffolding rising to 18 metres high was not tied into the building. Instead, abutment bays were erected to secure the scaffolding in place. existing floor coverings consisting of stone flooring was scoped for carpet tiles. To preserve the stone floors, rubber matting was installed to provide a uniform surface for the carpet tiles. This solution protected the heritage substrate from any damage. Defence is responsible for an important legacy that has been built up through its history. A legacy of land, places, buildings, memories and stories. Duratec Australia is proud to have helped the Department of Defence restore the structural integrity and aesthetics of the heritage buildings at Victoria Barracks.